Okay, so today we're at Lathams, Potter Heigham, and we're looking at the main building. It's completely flooded out down the bottom end. To put sandbags out. I think they're using plant fertiliser and all sorts of stuff to try and keep the water out. As you can see, water coming in everywhere, pipe work everywhere, there's bags everywhere. And the whole car park is, well, as we're now going to find out. We've got the waders on today. Let's see what depths we've got, shall we? Ooh, we're going down. Fairly deep, sort of foot and a half at the moment. Never seen a load of water like this in this end of the car park at Potter Heigham. Might get the odd little bit, but certainly not enough to have to shut it off. This side's clearing a bit. Got a few pipes up there pumping out, which we'll have a look at in a minute. It's even deeper than this end. That's to my knees. And obviously the ditch at the back here. Oh, I'm still going down. It's past my knees. And the ditch along the back has just completely burst. And filling up everywhere. Didn't think I'd get this deep in a car park at Potter Heigham. These branches all broken off. Pretty crazy. That is deep. It's actually over my knees here. As you can see, the pallets of goods and stuff are just sitting there in water, getting absolutely soaked. Don't know what they are. What we got in there? Puppy food, compost. A lot of that's not going to be any good, I don't think. We've got lights, big main lights. The light up the car park going to come down. I'm guessing that was the one out in the middle of there. There's normally one out in the middle there. It's these big lights here we're talking about. Definitely doing some damage. See, the whole place is all flooded out. Obviously we can't go in there, but we can look over. See through here, this whole end is completely and utterly flooded out. A lot of water. It's probably going to get worse as the bigger tides come up. These are the main gates. You can see in the buildings here. The water in the actual buildings as well. totally flooded out. Not good for the local business. Let's see what's happening at this end. Some of this end is still filling up. As you can see, you've got the pipework coming out where it's pumping out of the main buildings. It's just running into drains and through to the main buildings and pumping out what they can, pretty much. This one's leaking. Follow the pipe along, and as you can see, that's how much water is getting pumped out of the buildings. That's a lot of water. You imagine this obviously helping to fill up a car park as well. Got all this sandbags and compost all the way around the edges. Two more pipes here are actually pumping out into the car park, which is just going to make it deeper and deeper. You've got the ditch running along the back, flooding in. Still see there's still water sitting in the main yard and further in. All different setups of pipework going from drains going into the main store. Obviously some bits are shut off and you can't go into, etc, etc. Still quite a lot of water in there, and obviously as the tides keep coming up, it's going to keep filling up. Still plenty of people going in the shop. Shop's not shut, still going. As you can see, even since we've got here, it's already rising. It's already up here now. And that was just in front of these cones when we first came in. So you can get the idea of what's happening. It's just getting deeper by the minute. Chat behind me, it's chat over record anything. That's pretty much what we got.